What's going on, everybody? Jordan here. I'm back for another video. In this video, I'm going to be sharing 3 tips for new beardsmen, and then also discussing some products and equipment that you should be using when you're growing out your beard. In case you don't know, especially if you're growing it out for the first time, this video is going to be kind of a one-stop shop for all the gear that you're going to want to check out, tools, oils, butters, balms, the difference, all that kind of stuff. But yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Let's get into this video. Alrighty, so the first tip that I want to share is patience. So growing a beard doesn't happen overnight. It's going to take time and patience, and you have to stick with it. And there's going to be an awkward, patchy stage that you have to wait out in order to get to the other side. And then shaving it off repeatedly doesn't make it grow faster. It's just more sensitive, makes your skin more sensitive. You may have heard that, but yeah, when I was just first growing mine out, I just let it go, and then now it's like it is now, with a few trims obviously. But yeah, it just takes time, and that's the main thing with patience. You just have to be patient with growing out a beard. Like, I've been growing a beard like consistently since December 2019, so it's been a while. Like, this year it'll be this December it'll be 2 years that it's been. Yeah, that it's been growing, and it takes a while. Like, it's not going to happen overnight, so you just have to be patient with it and be reasonable with your expectations, which I'm going to get into more in a little bit. But yeah, you have to let it go for a while, at least a month or two before you notice any significant results. And even then, like after a couple months, you probably won't notice like a ton. You likely won't have like a full beard, but it'll be more than it was. So yeah, that's my first tip, is just be patient with it. Yeah, let's move on to tip 2. Alrighty, so then tip 2 is care. So as soon as you have some length, like a few inches growing, start using beard oil. Because as your hair starts getting longer, the new hair is going to feel sharp and cause skin irritation as they're poking through. So do some research on different beard products. Tons of reviewers out there. I've got a bunch of videos on different oils. I'll discuss a few here in a minute, but yeah, do some research, check them out. Yeah, and then with beard oil, it's mainly used to nourish the skin, and to a lesser extent your beard hair as well. Worn during the day and at night, at least for me. I know some people don't wear it during the day, some people do. It just kind of depends on what your routine is. But you gotta have at least beard oil, I would say, especially as you're starting out. Yeah, and then next is beard butter. So it's used to nourish your hair and your skin, and sometimes for styling, depending on the company, because some have a little bit more hold to their butters than others. I kind of rhymed. I didn't even mean that. Yeah, so worn most commonly at night, but I'll often wear butters during the day as well. And some include a little bit of beeswax for styling and hold. And then beard balm is when you really want to get that like good hold, and worn typically during the day. I wouldn't recommend wearing beard balm at night. Yeah, and yeah, beeswax is often a main ingredient in beard balms. Yeah, so then some beard oils that I would definitely recommend, and that I've either done reviews on them or will be doing reviews on them. Beard Tings out in the UK, Bearded Truth 15, save yourself 15% and support my channel. Really good stuff, really killer bottles, great blend, great scents. This one is Caribbean Cutthroat, which is coconut, sandalwood, rum. Killer scent. Yeah, that's Beard Tings out in the UK. And then Detroit Grooming, they got a nice butter. So this is a 2 ounce butter. And their Sturgis scent, I'm going to be doing a review on this and the matching oil at some point in the near future. Yeah, that's what a 2 ounce butter looks like. And then this is a 1 ounce balm from Woolly Wizard Beard Co. Caramel pipe tobacco. Not sure what that looks like. So you can kind of see. So this is going to have a bit more hold than a beard butter. And then you can also have 2 ounce beard oils. This is just a cheap one. This one's not great, but that's the bigger bottle versus a 1 ounce. And then you can also get different styles of bottles. So this one, also 1 ounce, but it's got a restrictor top, so it kind of see it there. Get this without spilling. But yeah, it's kind kind of controls the number of drops that you get, and it also can help make your oils last a little longer because less air is getting at them, which is nice. And then you have the dropper top, like this one from Magic City. Use code THETRUTH for 10% off. Support my channel. Yeah, Magic City's killer. I've talked about them before on my channel. Done a review. This scent is great for the summer. Mango, coconut, lime, pineapple, sugar, and more. And the ingredients: ostrich oil, which is really nice, feeling beard. Coconut oil, shea olin oil, argan oil, jojoba, and then fragrance and essential oils. Really, really good blend. And then there's also a pump top, like this one from Mr. Pompadour. This is their Manhattan scent, which is oud wood and bergamot. And yeah, the hemp seed oil is in this one. It's another really good oil. Meadow foam seed is another good one. So definitely look up for those ones. And then this is a 3.7 ounce butter. This is Flint, the new Dan C. Bearded collab with Magic City. And a 3.7 ounce butter. Really, really nice. Most of Magic City's butters are 4 ounce. Like this one here. So that's what they normally look like, plastic container. And then there's also got one from Bearded Coast. That's also 4 ounce, but that's a glass jar with the screw top lid. And that's what it looks like. Yeah, really great butter as well. Definitely with more hold than some, but definitely really, really solid. I did a review on Bearded Coast back in January, I believe it was. And then this is similar to the Detroit one that I showed earlier, but this is a 4 ounce. This is Motown from Bandbox Fella. I just reviewed them recently. Really cool small batch company out of Tennessee. Great butter too. Use this pretty decent amount. It's hard because I have so many, but yeah, I definitely enjoyed using this one. And then in terms of just like nourishment and like really like repairing your beard, there's nothing better for that than Vitality Restoration Butter from Chesapeake Beard and Grooming. Like, it's just super nourishing, like nice and fluffy, whipped butter. Like, I'm not 100% a huge fan of this scent, Poe, but it's birchwood and oud, so it's a little, not my favorite scent from Chesapeake, but I have a few others from Chesapeake and they're really, really good. And this is another 4 ounce from Creme de Dertha, the Truth 15, I believe, non-affiliate. This is their Irish cream scent, which is a coffee, like a Irish coffee scent. I can get this off. There we go. That's what that one looks like. Yeah, really great butter. Yeah, you can't go wrong with any of these companies. Yeah, like I said, I've either reviewed them all or I'm going to review them all. And then another thing that you're going to want to have is a great beard wash. So this is the Fresh Driftwood and Sea Salt Command Daily Beard Wash from Chesapeake, collab with Dan C. It's Fresh Driftwood and Sea Salt scent, and that's an 8 ounce bottle. Really, really good. This is probably my favorite one that I've been using. This is actually a new bottle I just got recently because I'm almost running out of my first bottle. But yeah, highly recommend this stuff if you haven't tried this. I also have the co-wash for it. I don't have it here right now, but really, really good products for sure. And then also this is another conditioner from a Canadian company called Beardo Beard Care. Beardo Beard Care. I've used like just about half of this stuff. I actually used it today, and it's really good stuff. Highly recommend it. Canadian company. And then Beardsmen has a really good beard wash. This is their citrus spice scent in a 4 ounce bottle. Very, very nice. Yeah, and then so along with all those products, let's talk about some other gear that you might want to consider checking out. Alrighty, so next, let's talk about some other gear that you might want to check out. So as your beard starts getting longer, you're going to want to check out you're going to want to consider checking out a comb. So you can either get like a wood one like this, with the smaller fine tooth side, and then the wider tooth. This one is from Beard Brothers. The Truth 15, I believe, is a non-affiliate. Yeah, so that's a good wooden comb. I definitely like this one. I used this one for a while until I discovered these other combs that I'll talk about now. The Chicago combs. So you can get these on Amazon. They're pretty affordable, and they're made of carbon fiber. Like, I have 2 of these number 6s with a third from Chesapeake coming in soon. Yeah, they have a bunch of different. This is good for like medium length beards, but then as you go like longer, I'd say go with the number 8. And like I know a lot of guys with bigger beards that have this one, and it just because it gets right into your beard when you're combing it out, or like when you're in the shower. Yeah, really good combs. And they also have a mustache comb, which is their number 2. My favorite mustache comb that I've used. Just comb your mustache out and keep it off your lip as much as possible, because that can get annoying. Yeah, and then there's also the number 7, which is more like a pick. So I usually use this one when I'm fresh out of the shower. Just kind of pick it out and then like get it all nice and poofy, and then comb it down with the number 8 and then the number 6. Yeah, really great combs. Highly recommend these. And then this is one of my go-to boar's hair beard brushes from Rocky Mountain Beard Co. Barber Co. That's right. You can get this one off Amazon. I think probably 10 or 15 bucks. Nice and handheld. And I also have one from Educated Beards, which has a handle. I don't have it here with me, but it's really good. Highly recommend that one as well. But there's tons of boar hair brushes on Amazon and on different beard company websites. I know Beard Octane has one that's I've heard is pretty solid. Yeah, there's a whole bunch. Just have a look, do some research, check out some videos. Dan C. Bearded is probably the go-to for like all things bearded. He's been doing this for a lot longer than like a lot of other people, and he has a ton of different videos on a ton of different topics, so definitely check him out. And this is, like I mentioned earlier, this is his collab with Magic City. Really fire scent. It's a mineral cologne. Definitely recommend it. Yeah, and then for like trims, you're gonna want to have a nice pair of scissors. So these ones are from Educated Beards. They run around 65 Canadian, and yeah, which is not cheap, but they're really good. They're like, I believe, stainless steel or something like that. Yeah, really good, really sharp. Do a nice job with trimming. Definitely recommend these. So yeah, that's some gear that you might want to check out once your beard gets a little longer. So scissors, boar hair brush, some kind of comb, whether it's a Chicago comb or a wood comb like this one from Beard Brothers. Yeah, tons of options. Do some research, check out people's videos. I'm going to be doing a whole review on Chicago combs here soon. Yeah, let's move on to step 3. Then just a few, couple more care tips that I forgot to mention. So don't use regular hair shampoo and conditioner on your beard hair, because beard hair is more delicate, and head hair shampoos and conditioners contain ingredients that will damage beard care. So like I mentioned earlier, Chesapeake Grooming Daily Beard Wash as like a more frequent option, or Mr. Pompadour's Beard Wash and Conditioner, or Beardo's Beard Wash and Conditioner for a deeper, less frequent clean. I usually use the Daily Beard Wash from Chesapeake probably 4 or 5 times a week, and then I do a conditioner and a beard wash probably twice a week. But everyone's routine is different, depends on your beard and your lifestyle, all that kind of stuff. Yeah, next let's move on to tip 3. Alrighty, so next let's talk about expectations and gimmicks, and then wrap up this video. So, no beard oil is going to help your beard grow, and I know there's some that will say that they do, but that's not true. That's just a marketing scheme trying to get you to buy their products. But beard oil itself is not going to help your beard grow. That's going to be time and genetics, and also biotin. I know Chesapeake has some beard gummies that I've been testing for the last few days, and I'm going to test for about a month and see if I can track a difference. I'll do a whole review on that. We'll talk about all that information later on. But yeah, you're like I was saying earlier, your beard's not going to grow as quickly as you expect it to. So you have to be patient and be reasonable with your expectations. Yeah, so let's wrap up this video. Alrighty, so to wrap up this video, be patient, take care of your beard. invest in high quality products like the ones that I recommend here and a bunch of others. Check out my channel, check out other channels for more reviews and recommendations. Yeah, definitely there's tons of great small batch companies out there. I would stray away from the big guys mostly. Everyman Jack is one bigger company that I've tried that actually is not bad. So if you need something cheap and something easily accessible while you wait for something else to arrive that you ordered from a small batch company like Beard Things, Magic City, Crown and Dirtha, Mr. Pompadour, Chesapeake, etc., I would say go Everyman Jack. That's a good one. Pretty cheap, works pretty well. For the price, they have butters and balms and beard wash and all that kind of stuff. I'm going to review them here pretty soon. But yeah, I would say go small batch if you can. Don't fall victim to gimmicks or marketing schemes like derma rollers and that kind of thing. Like, derma rollers likely not going to help. It's just going to stab your face a whole bunch of times, like rolling it over. Like, I don't know why anyone would want to use it, but that's just me. Maybe you've tried it and had results, but I haven't used one and haven't seen anything that would prove that it actually gives results. I've talked to people like Dan C. Bearded and other reviewers about it, and the general consensus from what I've heard, derma rollers are pretty much a gimmick. Like, your odds of getting success from them aren't very high. So yeah, just do your own research. Don't fall victim to gimmicks. Invest in high quality tools as well. Chicago combs, nice pair of scissors, a good boar hair brush. Just help your beard be styled and look nice and be healthy. Yeah, I'll have links down below to a whole bunch of good products that I recommend, and also to some reviews that I've done. Yeah, feel free to check those out. If I have discount codes for some of these, those will be down below. Check them out. Yeah, I recommend all these products here. All great products. You can't go wrong with any of them. Tons of different scent variety too from each company. Yeah, thanks everybody for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, leave a like and comment down below. Something that you learned or something that you wish you knew when you started your beard growing journey, or something that you want to know. I'll either answer it in the comments, or if there's a whole bunch of things that you want to know, I can do a part 2 or some other kind of video like this where I just kind of sit and talk. Let me know. But yeah, that's kind of all I wanted to say here. Thanks everybody for watching. Peace out.